check this out. This is our Explorer, the ST. See, ST Explorer. So I goes to the automotive place, the Sherwin Williams place, and I thought it was just a regular paint place, like for paint walls and houses and stuff like that. But I went and didn't know that they had this for cars. So I went in there and they was able to whip up the same exact black color that is painted on the ST Explorer. And the ST Explorer, the black color, or I guess all the colors, but I know specifically this black one has like a black sparkle to it. So I'm assuming that the rest of them are the same. So you see it says black metallic. And that's all the different stuff I guess they mix with it. And it's got a sparkle color to it. So let me open it. So when you open it up, you know, it's got a little brush on the end where you could just touch up, you know, almost like a little fingernail brush. That's what this looked like, you know, and you could take that and just touch up the little spots. It's just a quick way to touch up little spots, like if you got a lease or something and you trying to turn it in and you want to get rid of some little scratches or whatever. This right here could save you. I think this was probably, I don't even think this is maybe a few dollars for this size bottle. This is what size bottle was this? I can't remember. Oh, this is a 2-ounce bottle. See, say right there, where it's a 2-ounce bottle right there. That date is wrong, because that was not the year I got this. This was this year in 2021. So I don't know where that date came from. They must have messed that up. But yeah, it's a 2-ounce bottle. Now let me show you where you can touch it up. Wipe it down real good. But like right here on the edge of the door, like this you know, just everybody got this type of stuff on their door. We open up the door and it's got little scratches on the side, you know, and they might run all the way down, you know, to the bottom sometimes. Another thing, the way they get their paint is they'll go in here, they'll find the little tag in your door, and that's how they get the paint color to your car. So I kind of did some of my doors already. This one right here, I did this door. Let me see. If you look at this one, I painted right along this strip right here. You can see it. I'm gonna touch it up a little more, but it looks good. And from a distance, I don't think you can notice that much. You know, like I said, I'm gonna touch it up again. So yeah, so if y'all looking for a quick, easy way to fix a deep scratch in your car, just check out Sherwin Williams and just make sure that it's the automotive place, not the regular paint place. Because at first I was calling around and I thought it was just any Sherwin Williams, but it's not. You got to make sure it's the automotive Sherwin Williams. So anybody who need to fix their scratch, there you go. Hope I helped you out. I hope I might have saved your day, because if you got you a nice sports car or something like that with a good paint job and you don't know where to get the factory paint from, that's how you can go get it. So thank me later. You can just thank me later. Drop your comments down low. Like it, share, subscribe, and all that good stuff. And holla at your boy. I'm out of here.